Okay, moving on to question 2. This is the school system. And I read through it and realized that question 2, the problem is exactly the same as question 1 about the tires. So this may be useful to you in the future. So what I'm going to do is take what I've already done in question 1 and just copy it to question 2. So down here on the tab, I'm going to right mouse click on it and select move or copy. And I'm going to move it to the end, meaning it'll be down at the end, which means at the end is right next to question 1. And I'm going to create a copy of question 1 and say OK. So now you see I've got 2 tabs. I have question 1 and then I have question 1 second copy. So I'll double click on that tab name just to make it question 2. There's no point in doing all this same math over and over again, and all right, I'm going to call it 2A because I had to walk through this, so I've already done it just to make sure there's no hiccups. But instead of it being a plant, it's it's question 2. So I'm going to change that to question 2. And it's not tires, but it's students at the Metropolitan District. So I'm just METROPOLITAN school. Leave it at that. There's east and west. So east, oops, not there. It'll be east, west. So, and it's not delivery location, so it's each district contains 30%. East district contains 35% of all students. So I'll change this to 0.35. Notice west automatically changed to 0.65. And the aptitude test was given, and 10% of the East districts failed. So that's 0.1. And 25% in District 2, 0.25. So we probably don't need the number of students, but let's leave that there for now. And I'm going to just copy this. Excuse me a second. I'm going to copy this. Where is my copy? Copy. Paste. Ugh. I'll do it this way. Control V. And I can do it down here. Control V. And that's all we need. So it's not delivery location. This is a number of students. Or percent of students. And the defect rate of students, fail rate. And let's just hypothetical number of students. Okay. And let's get it again. Let's just change it to 2 and see what happens. Okay. So again, the calculations are basically already done. This is the probability of pass, not fail. This is the probability of fail. And again, it's the same formula, being that probability of fail is is 0.7 and 0.33. So I got a little confused there. In the last problem, since when it's 50-50, then the probability of fail rate equals the fail rate here. So, for example, if I change that to 0.5, then you see that these fail rates of 0.1 and 0.25 equal the fail rate above, and I just wanted to double check that. And it has to be 50-50 for those to be equal. When you change it to 0.35, then see it changes the probability of the fail rate, the top part of the formula, and but that is correct. So then we're done. Let me copy this. There's copy. And paste. Okay. So the probability of fail for East, which I think is the question, is 18%. So if you pick a random student, it would that failed, the probability that it came from East is if you picked a failed student and asked them what school they went to, the probability that their answer would be East is 18%. So that is it. I believe I've got this all right.